I can't believe it. The power is incredible. I was lucky to survive my last encounter with them. Memphis lies in ashes, and every countermeasure we use against them is crushed. I don't see much hope for us, but I've heard rumors of a hero.
Hey guys, Chevy here again. Got Adam in here. Well, he was helping. He got sucked into the marketplace, but we're finally welding the rear end up in this thing. Got a burnout contest coming up in a couple days, and can't do the one tire thing anymore. Sorry, I'm really tired. I've been up since 5, but forgot to turn this on. Show you, but I just laid a tack weld in there to hook it together. But I'll prop you up. Maybe do a little time lapse. It's nasty, but I think that'll hold. Flip it around, do the other side. Ow! Oh man, that went right in my ear. Did it pop the breaker? Yeah. Nice. Not bad, not bad. Ow. I'm getting shocked. I don't know why I'm getting shocked, but not a fan. It's done. Okay. That's plenty good. So for those of you that don't know, when you weld a rear end, basically the spider gears, so these are the side gears that are attached to those axles, and then they have these little gears with the pin which allows the axles to rotate opposite directions. So when you want a cheap spool or locker, you just weld all 4 of those gears together and you weld them to the housing, and then both axles have to turn the same speed all the time. And also found out this definitely has 273 gears, so that is not great. That's why this thing is so long-legged. But makes for good smokies. But anyways, that's it for welding it up. I'm gonna smear some silicone on that cover and slap it back on there and get some oil in it, change the tires, and get this thing out of the Corvette. Well, I noticed the other day when I was driving this, it'll be hard to see, but anyways, that axle joint's bad, and that's what holds the top, of the spindle up. So there's a control arm on the bottom, and then the axle holds the wheel out. So with that U-joint bad, it lets the top of the wheel tip, and it's a little friggin' sketchy. So I'm gonna pull that drive line out, or axle. Got another one here. Gonna stick it in there. Well, got the axle loose. I'm gonna drop it out now. Check this fat dent out. So I'm gonna replace this axle. This one's no good. Well, got the new axle here. Pull that tape off and get it stuck in there. Then we'll be good to go. This is honestly not fun at all to do. Yeah, I'm not impressed with this at all. Adam's doing a fine job of installing mirrors on it. You want to be illegal. Yeah, you're getting the bolt. I think maybe if you would have sawed on it for another 2 seconds, it would have probably
I even grabbed a hold of it before I walked away and like jerked on it. It wouldn't come off. That bitch made like 2 passes.
Popped right off of there. So I got the new axle in. All the bolts are tightened up. Got the whatever this is. I don't know. Rear steer junk. But I noticed that it had some toe in on the back tire, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Hey guys, into the shop night, our Thursday night ritual. We go and try and get all the projects caught up that we've caused ourselves, or I've caused myself, whatever. But got the Corvette all buttoned up. It's ready for the weekend. So we'll do we can do the cruise and burnout contest with this thing. We'll throw some tires on the back of it, and we'll do that. And got the big radiator in the Caprice, got the rear end welded up. You saw that. Yeah. Oh, got it jetted. I didn't film any of that. I was thinking. But yeah, everything should be good to go. Got to get some 90 weight in the morning and then come fill the rear end up on that, swap tires over, and then it's ready for Saturday. And then this thing keeps saying low coolant, so got to figure out what that's about and take care of that, and then we'll be good to go. But till next time, see you later. Thanks for watching.